Are you feeling like you're constantly juggling a million things at once? Career, family, personal goals, and then trying to find just a minute for yourself somewhere in between? Yeah, you are definitely not alone. So today, we're going to dive into how to find the perfect planner for 2026, one that will help you finally regain some control and bring a little bit of calm to all that chaos. Let's get right into it. Does this feel familiar? You're juggling work, home life, trying to squeeze in some self-care, all while chasing your personal goals in a world that just seems to be moving faster and faster. And with all the digital distractions pulling you in every direction, it is so easy to feel completely overwhelmed. But here's the thing. What if your planner could be more than just a calendar? The best planners out there are really powerful tools. They're designed to help you find clarity, reclaim your focus, and get a real sense of control back in your life. It's not about trying to fill every single minute of your day. It's about being intentional with your precious time and energy. So what is the secret sauce? What separates a really great planner from just a simple notebook? Well, it's all in the design. Let's take a look at the essential features that can truly transform not just your productivity, but your peace of mind too. A great modern planner is kind of like your personal command center. It really needs detailed time blocking to give your day some structure, and to-do lists with priority sections so you know exactly what to tackle first, which is huge for cutting down on that mental load. But it's also about the bigger picture, right? Goal-setting pages to keep your ambitions front and center, and reflection spaces, which are absolutely crucial for processing your week and just reducing that feeling of anxiety. It's a tool for both doing and, just being. Okay, let's talk about time blocking for a second, because this is a total game changer. Instead of having this never-ending, stressful to-do list, you actually assign a specific time for each task, and that includes things like family time and rest. This one simple strategy forces you to be realistic about what you can get done in a day. It protects your personal time, and it can seriously reduce that feeling of being pulled in a dozen different directions at once. The world of planners is always evolving to meet our changing needs. So what's new and exciting for 2026? Let's take a peek at the latest trends that are designed for a modern, flexible life. One of the biggest trends we're seeing right now is flexibility. Undated planners are huge, and for good reason. They let you start anytime without wasting a bunch of pages. Perfect for when life gets a little unpredictable. We're also seeing a huge rise in these beautiful minimalist designs that help you focus by just cutting out all the visual clutter. And for those of us who still love the feel of a pen on paper, high-quality, bleed-proof paper has pretty much become a non-negotiable standard. Okay, so one of the first big decisions you'll probably have to make is dated versus undated. If you're someone who really thrives on a consistent daily routine, a dated planner is fantastic. But if your schedule is a bit less predictable or you're trying to balance work with a chaotic family calendar, an undated planner gives you the freedom to use it whenever you need to without feeling guilty about all those empty pages. It's all about what truly works for your life. And now for the fun part, finding the planner that's right for you. We all lead such different lives, so your planner should absolutely reflect that. Let's look at a few common lifestyles and see which one sounds the most like you. First up, we have the working professional. You're navigating a world of back-to-back meetings, project deadlines, and a constant flow of tasks that all feel super urgent, all while trying to actually switch off at the end of the day. So, if this is you, your planner needs to be a powerhouse. It should help you manage all your appointments, keep track of multiple projects without letting anything slip through the cracks, and most importantly, help you figure out what's truly a priority versus what's just noise. All right, next up, the entrepreneur. You're not just managing your time, you are building a dream from the ground up. Your planner should basically be your secret weapon. For an entrepreneur, a planner is so much more than just a schedule. It's really a tool for growth. It should help you connect your daily to-dos with your big picture vision, track your progress, and stay motivated when things get tough. Think of it like your entire business plan right in your pocket. And finally, we have the minimalist. This is for anyone out there who feels totally overwhelmed by busy layouts, super bright colors, and just way too many boxes to fill in. Your goal is simplicity and a clear mind. A minimalist planner is designed to create a sense of calm. With those clean layouts and neutral colors, it helps you focus only on what's most important, cutting through all the distractions and just giving you space to breathe. Okay, so how do you sort through all these options and actually choose the right planner for you? Let's break it down into a really simple 3-step process to find your perfect match. It's really as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, just think about your daily life. Do you need to plan by the hour, or is seeing your whole week at a glance enough? Second, consider the practical stuff. Does it need to be portable enough to toss in a bag between work and soccer practice? And third, make sure the planner has the specific features you need to actually achieve your goals. That's it. At the end of the day, the best planner is the one you'll actually use. It should fit your life, support your goals, and maybe even make you feel a little inspired when you open it. So find the one that feels right for you, and let's make 2026 your most organized and intentional year yet.